Good day everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how to set this watch, the time and date and also the alarm. Okay, first we need to move from this timekeeping mode to the adjust mode, and to do that we can press this mode button 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can see that the second is flashing or blinking, and yes, we can press this button on the right side to make it 0. But if the number is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if the number is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So for this case, I will press this and it will become 0 without additional minute. And then next, we can move to the next item or cycle to the next item to set by pressing the button on the top left. And yes, this is the hour. And then we can press this button to increase the number like this. Okay, and then press again this button on the top left, which will also trigger the light. Okay, and yes, we can use this button to change the value of the minute or increase the number of the minute and so on. And then press again this button on the top left to move to the next item, and this is the month. We can press this button on the right to change or to increase the number, and then again press the top left button to move to the date, and yes, we use this button again to increase the number, and again to move to the day, and this button to change the value. Okay, and press again. Now we return to the second to set. If you're done with the setting, you can press the mode button on the bottom left, and yes, now we return to the timekeeping with the setting that we have just done. And one more thing, you can change the format from 24 hours to 12 hours or AM PM and vice versa by pressing this button on the right side. Let me adjust to show you how it will be shown. Yes, something like this. So if the time is PM, it will show like this. If you press this button, it will change to 24 hours format. Okay, next we will set the alarm, and to do that we can press this mode button to move from this timekeeping mode to the alarm mode. And to adjust the alarm, first we need to press the top left button, and now the hour is blinking, meaning we can change the number for the hour by pressing this button on the right side. So let's say if I want to have an alarm that goes off at 5:30, then I will press this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, at 5, and then I press the top left button to move to the next item, and this is the minute. And then press again this right button to change the value, so I press and hold until it is close to 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3, now 5:30, and then I press this button again on the top left to exit the adjust mode for the alarm. And yes, we have 5:30 for the alarm time. And then next we need to set which feature is active or which features are active, and we have this one at the top left. This is the icon for the alarm, this one, the daily alarm. And then we can also activate the signal or the hourly chime. That means that every changing hour it will give a beep sound by pressing this one at the right side, and it will show this bell icon. Okay, and then if I press again this button, it will cycle to the next option, which both are active, the alarm and also the hourly signal. And if I press again, both are off. And yes, I will just activate both now, so I press this several times until it shows both icons. Okay, now I have the alarm at 5:30, and also I have the signal that will tell me that the hour is changing every like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock and so on. Okay, now I will press this mode button to move or to return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, that's all how to set up this watch, Casio A700W, for the time, date and also the alarm. Hopefully this video is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!